All right, looking into a different kind of weather pattern after this heat that we've had going lately. A stormy spell returns starting tomorrow and lasting into the weekend. We'll still have scattered rain around. In the tropics, things are still pretty quiet. We're just watching the extreme western Gulf of Mexico this weekend. Although I must say the models are not going very strong or aggressive with trying to develop something. There will be a little low pressure area. So we'll get into that in a second. But first, just showing you today we're not officially under a heat advisory for Louisiana, but our Mississippi counties are included in a heat advisory. That's when you know that the heat index will be close to about 108 plus. And we're going to be seeing that very close for Louisiana too. So just another day where we're not seeing a lot of rain. Air temperatures are already as high as about 91 or 92. And not surprisingly, the feels like or heat index is way into the triple digits right now for a lot of spots. So just another day to drink water, take it easy outside if you have to be outside for work or exercise or doing something outdoors. And if you can, maybe just wait until this evening to get out there. Satellite and radar super quiet. Of course, satellite has a few clouds, but radar is showing any rain well off of our coast, although it is pretty unsettled out to the north of us thanks to this front that's going to be draped across our area. And we also have some moist flow coming along this front. And so that's why you see this trend with the rain just along and just off to the north of that boundary. Now, our high resolution model getting into this afternoon, this is by 5 p.m. It does have a couple of showers and storms, so we do have a chance for rain today. Just a lot of us are not going to see it, and if you don't, it's going to be quite hot. This is by 8 p.m. tonight. Now, interestingly, this model, note by even 10 and 11, it has some rain out here still around Mississippi and maybe over toward Alexandria. So we will actually have a chance even tonight for a shower or storm. But it looks like at this point everything might be breaking up before it gets to our part of Louisiana or Mississippi. But again, just a chance for an isolated storm tonight. Tomorrow, 7 a.m., waking up to a similar kind of theme with some showers and storms out there to our north. But look, by tomorrow, 3 and 4 p.m., we're really seeing the scattered downpours back in the picture. And even by 8 p.m., and we'll fast forward through Thursday night and into Friday morning, it looks quieter. But by Friday, we will still have a decent chance for rain with that front just to our north and a bit of lift in the atmosphere to help some of those showers and storms form. Today, though, highs about 94 once again. Yesterday, we hit 95 at the airport, but clearly over the next few hours, we're still looking for a very similar kind of forecast. 7 p.m., we might still be around 90, and then by 9, we'll be getting into the 80s, and overnight lows tonight should be in the 70s. Very quickly, also, there is officially a marginal risk, level 1 of 5, so pretty low risk, but it is there for the North Shore today and tonight for a strong storm. And tomorrow, our whole area is included at that level 1 risk. So that would be mainly just for a rogue storm bringing a few high wind gusts. That might be something to watch for if we do see that during the daytime tomorrow. So just a little heads up there. Now, in the tropics, of course, we're talking about this wave, which is in the Caribbean Sea or really right on the coast of Central America. And we're thinking the upper pattern will feature this high pressure building in. So that's why we're talking about the extreme western and southwestern Gulf of Mexico for any development. And that would be by this weekend. But you saw the chance for development very low. Even in 5 days, only 20% chance. The models, again, not really showing a lot of development. Now, certainly sea surface temperatures are warm in the upper 80s, but note all this wind shear, these oranges and pinks, especially by this weekend. We will have a lot of shear, especially out over the northwestern Gulf. So just to give you one idea, for example, the European model kind of spins up a little something, has it heading into North Mexico. We will see what happens. A couple of other models have it staying super messy and maybe going a little farther to the north instead of the northwest. Again, we're going to keep our eye on it, but at this point, we're really just looking for continued rain chances into Saturday and into Sunday. We'll drop it a touch early next week. We continue with a 50% rain chance. Again, we'll keep you updated on the tropics, but at this point, not a high chance for development.
All right, thank you, Alexandra. Cars made by two